So the first step is to install the plugin on your WordPress website. You can either install it on a new WordPress website or an existing one. As you can see, I already installed mine. You can get the free version of the plugin on our homepage or on the WordPress marketplace. After you install the plugin, you go to the dashboard and you can see all the available tabs in the free version. You get a setup wizard where you can connect your Google account, your Mobility API for images. You also have settings. You have a compatibility tab where your WordPress theme is detected and also optimized. After you connect your Google accounts, you get this Google Analytics that pulls data directly from your Google Search Console and Google Analytics. You also get a sitemap. The sitemap will be generated after you upload the business listings. And then you have your manage listings tab where you see all your listings. You can edit them, import, export them, stuff like that. This is the free version of the plugin, and now we'll get on to the paid version of it. So before we go any further, I would like to advise you to connect your website to the Google Search Console and also the Google Analytics, because without these two connections, the plugin won't be able to show you keyword data and traffic analytics.